Quran says that indeed for you, in the life of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is a role model for the person who hope to meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the day of judgment and who remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in abundance. For him, in the life of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is a role model to follow. One day, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was delivering khutbah, lecture in Masjid Nabawi, and a Bedouin came and he started urinate inside the mosque. The companion of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they ran away towards him to stop him, and they might punish him, but Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam stopped them. And Rasulullah said to him that leave him, and when he free what he was doing, after that Rasulullah called him and very kindly Rasulullah said to him and Rasulullah educate him that this is masjid, this is mosque, and we are worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala inside the masjid. We shouldn't make dirty the mosque. So around us, our youngsters, our family members, our children, they are making mistakes. And when they do mistakes, what is our behavior? What is our reaction towards them? Either we are following the role model of Rasulullah, or we are educating them in a nice way, or we are shouting at them. That's why the Quran says that for you, in the life of Muhammad is a great role model to follow. The people of Makkah, they was trying to stop Muhammad for dawah, the invitation to people towards Islam. And they was gathered in Darul Nadwa. And Quran says in Surah Anfal, Surah number 8, verse number 30, that وَإِذْ يَمْكُرُ بِكَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا لِيُثْبِتُوكَ أَوْ يَقْتُلُوكَ أَوْ يُخْرِجُوكَ وَيَمْكُرُونَ وَيَمْكُرُ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ. And remember the time when the people, they was planning either to kill you, O Muhammad sallallahu, or to arrest you, or to put you in exile. They was planning, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was also planning. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the best planner. So when they was thinking that how can we stop the dawah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and for that reasons they agreed that we will choose the young and strong men from different tribes, and together they will attack upon Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They will sit outside the house of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and when Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam come out from his home, they will attack suddenly, and the blood of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will be spread amongst the different tribes, and Banu Hashim, the family of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, will not be able to take revenge from them. And we will give them the blood money, and we will resolve this issue. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala informed Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that you should leave this night your house towards Medina. And Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave the amana, whatever he had from the people, to Sayyidina Ali radhiyallahu anhu, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam put him on his bed. And Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam leave the house safely, and the people who was outside, they spent all the night outside of Muhammad's house. The Rasulullah leave Makkah safely. Then the people of Makkah, they get together and they announce that anyone who arrests Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, or kill him, or chop off his head, we will give him 100 camels. And Suraqa ibn Malik, he was a leader of his tribe, and there was expert for finding out the footstep of the people. So he came out from his house alone with his old weapon, with his horse, and he was trying to find out the footstep of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and until he reached near to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And when he saw Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was continuously reciting Quran, and Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq was with him. And when he saw, he tried to faster his horse towards Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam so he can reach as soon as possible and arrest him or attack upon him, and to get the 100 camel, the announcement, whatever the disbelievers did. But suddenly his horse was sank and was stuck in the earth. He fell down from his horse, and quickly he stood up, and again he sat on his horse, and again he tried a second time. Again his horse was stuck in the earth. And third time he tried, but the third time the earth was very hard, and it wasn't possible that a horse being stuck in that type of earth. So he realized that I won't be able to attack Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There is some hidden forces with Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he realized, and he was so scared. And when he stood up the third time, he was so near to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam looked at him. So straight away he said to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Ya Ibn Abdul Muttalib, Afu anni, O son of Abdul Muttalib, forgive me. Because he was so scared. And Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam didn't reply to him. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam didn't say to him that he was coming to kill me, he was trying to attack me. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam didn't say to him. Straight away Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, Qad afawta anka. Indeed, I forgive you. Straight away Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him. Then he said, O son of Abdul Muttalib, uktub li, write it down for me. And Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Sayyidina Abu Bakr radhiyallahu anhu, that uktub lahu ya Abu Bakr, write it down for him, O Abu Bakr radhiyallahu anhu. And Abu Bakr radhiyallahu anhu, write it down for him, that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave peace and protection to Suraqa ibn Malik. And he turned back, and when he saw people who was chasing Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he tried to confuse them and give him a wrong way that you can, I saw this way, you go this way. Because I searched this way, he wasn't there. And he was trying to deviate people and from Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. On the 8th of Hijri, when Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam conquered Makkah, and when he was entering to Makkah, so the people who spent all the night to kill Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there was 14 people. And amongst that 14 people, 11 of them, they came to the Battle of Badr. And 11 by 11 was killed in the Battle of Badr. And Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when the Battle of Badr was, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was getting information and asking the people that who came to the Battle of Badr. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was aware of each and everything. So Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam knew that 11 people of them, they came to the Battle of Badr, who spent all the night outside the house of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to kill him. 11 of them, they came to the Battle of Badr, and all of them was killed. 3 people didn't come to the Battle of Badr. One was Abu Sufyan, one was Jubayr ibn Mut'im, and one was Hakim bin Hizam. These 3 people did not come to the Battle of Badr because Abu Sufyan was with the caravan, and the 2 others, they didn't come as well. But when Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was entering to Makkah, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam announced that anyone who entered to Kaaba, the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or he stood by the wall of, and he stand by the wall of Kaaba, he has peace and protection. No one will attack on him. Further, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam announced that anyone who entered the house of Abu Sufyan, Jubayr ibn Mut'im, and Hakim bin Hizam, they have peace and protection. Anyone who stand by the walls of these 3 people, no one will attack upon them. Imagine the people who spent all the night to kill Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had the power, he is able to take revenge from them. He is making their houses as a place of peace and protection. This is the uswa, this is the role model for us in the life of our dear Prophet Muhammad may peace be upon him. And remember, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was on the victory of in the act of Hijri, when Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was entering Makkah, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was taking rest in the valley of Jarana, and there was Ansar Sahaba, there was guarding and there was giving protection to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sitting there, and the people was coming and meeting Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Suraqa ibn Malik, he also came to meet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And when he was trying to reach Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the companion of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Sahaba, they stopped him. That wait, you are not allowed to go and to meet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because there was fear and there was maybe some people can attack on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So for the protection, for the security, they stopped him. But he said that I have the protection from Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I have aman, I have a letter from Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and I want to meet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam heard his voice. You know, few years back, when Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was leaving Makkah, when he was doing Hijrah, Muhammad Sallam met him in the desert, and he remembered his voice, and Muhammad Sallam said that, leave Suraqah to come to me and to meet me. And then Suraqah came to Muhammad Sallam, and he said that, oh Muhammad, I have the letter that you gave me a few years back. You give me peace and protection. Meaning now you are entering to Makkah, and you conquered Makkah, and you have the power, but I have protection from you. Muhammad Sallam said to him, O Suraqah, today, al-yawmu yawmul birri wal wafa. Today is the day of righteous and loyalty. And Muhammad Sallam announced for him that to give Suraqah ibn Malik 100 goals. And Suraqah ibn Malik on that occasion, he accepted Islam. This is the uswa of Muhammad Sallam, that the people who tried to kill him and or arrest him, when Muhammad Sallam had the power, he forgave all of them. I would like to end up my talk with a beautiful hadith of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, may peace be upon him. Muhammad Sallam said that, Amarani Rabbi bidisni. My Lord commanded me, my Lord ordained me for 9 things. Khashiyatillahi fi sirr wal alaniya, that I should fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in public and in secret. In public and in private. Wa kalimatul adli fil ghadabi wal ridha, and I should speak a word of justice. If I'm angry with someone or I am happy with someone, with both conditions I have to say a word of justice. وَالْعَدْلِ فِي الْفَقْرِ وَالْغِنَى, and I follow the middle path if I'm rich or poor. One, أَصِلُ مَنْ قَطَعَنِي, and I should enjoin with those who cut off the relation with me. وَعَافُ مَنْ ظَلَمَنِي, and I should forgive the one who and I should give to those who harm me. وَأَيَّكُونَ صَمْتِ فِكْرًا, when I become quiet, I should think and ponder about the universe of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, about the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَنُطْقِ ذِكْرًا, when I should speak, my talks should be the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَنَزِلِ الْعِبْرَةِ, and when I see, I get lesson from the things. And the last one said it, وَأَنْ أَمُرُ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ وَأَنْهَى عَنِ الْمُنكَرِ, and I should enjoin